At least 3 steps to be followed for the above OSCE. Let the subject be comfortable, stand on the right side of the subject, take verbal consent. Second maneuver, palpate precordium and find out apex bit as mitral area overlies it. Third maneuver, put the earpiece of the stethoscope correctly. It should be pointed medially and forwards. And auscultate with diaphragm, confirming S1 from carotid pulse as it coincides with it. S2 follows it. Also note for intensity of S1, S2, splitting of S2 and extra heart sound. However, only clinical methods are tested, no questions asked.